Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how I manage my balance with only $4 on the IQ option platform. Yes, only $4. But make no mistake, the results may surprise you. I trade using TurboTrend as a market analysis tool. Then I will connect it directly to the IQ option broker. Since I am currently trading with this broker, I will choose a signal duration of 1 minute for each transaction. I have confirmed, and now it's time to enter the market. If you are interested in trying this software, you can find the download link in the video description. And now I will explain to you the reasons I made the purchase of higher. I chose the higher option solely because of the signals from TurboTrend. I did not use any additional indicators or other tools. TurboTrend showed a fairly strong bullish signal. And in my experience, such signals are often followed by a price movement in the same direction. So my strategy is simple: follow the signals, trust the system, and make decisions quickly. This TurboTrend software actually works very complexly. Behind its simple appearance, there are 26 indicators used simultaneously, each with its own settings. And when I made my decision, 11 of the 26 indicators gave a buy signal. Okay, now let's see the final result. This trade was successful. And now I will proceed to the next trade. I chose to make a lower purchase because the signal from TurboTrend indicated that the price would go down, and there were no other additional indicators that I used or decisions were based solely on the signals given by TurboTrend. If you are interested in this software, you can download it directly via the link in the video description. Remember, the decision to use this tool is entirely up to you. There is no compulsion, so choose what is best for you. This trade was successful, and now I will move on to the next trade. So make sure you stay until the end of the video so you can see for yourself whether this software really works well or not. All right, guys, that's the result of my trading today. In my opinion, the result has exceeded my initial balance, and that's quite satisfying. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.